Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my December Boxycharm unboxing video. A little short story. I've actually been with Boxycharm for about a year, but I did go between Sephora Play, Ipsy Glam Bag, and Boxycharm for a while. But now I've been consistent with Boxycharm for about 3 months, and they're actually very good products for your money. Now they actually got better products. I think when I was in between subscription boxes, it was because I wasn't getting things that I felt like I used or that I liked. But for the last 3 months, they've been sending really good, high quality brands, and brands that are actually like in style right now and have new products out, and it's not like something that's like last season. So if you're not subscribed to them, you should try and check them out, because for what you pay, the products are full size, and they actually have tons of variety of stuff in every month's box, so it's very exciting. So yes, definitely check them out if you haven't already. But without further ado, we'll get into the December Boxycharm unboxing. So it comes with this little pamphlet, and it tells you exactly what you're getting and what it is. So I think that's really good that they tell you how to use the product, what it is, what brand, before you actually have to open the whole box. Because sometimes maybe you just want to look at the pamphlet, and if you don't like the box, you can give it to a friend, or you can gift it without actually digging through it and messing up, because it comes packed very nicely. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know. Yeah, so it's like a very cute gift box. So for this month, I got the Tarte glitter lip paint, the Jonteblu, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but a glittering star eyeliner, the Luscious cosmetic angel eyes primer, the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn blush and highlight palette, and the Suva Beauty Protege palette. So we got 2 palettes, 1 lip product, and 2 eye products. And it also gives you the prices for what they retail for. So the most expensive thing in the box this month is the Suva Beauty palette, and that retails for $34. And I forgot to tell you guys, but the Boxycharm is $21 a month. So one of these products already pays for the whole box. So I think it's kind of cool that you get to know what you're getting on this little pamphlet. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn palette. It looks like this. We're gonna open up this baby. I think this is the highlight and cheek palette. So let's see, the blush and highlight. Yeah, it looks like this. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. You can see that. It's really pretty. It brings like a highlighter, a blush, and like, I think this is also a blush, but it has a little bit more glitter in it. This is the darker blush, and this is the highlight. Okay, next up we do have the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. It looks like this. We're gonna open this up. This says that it's in the color Nude. So we're gonna open this up. So it looks like this. Let me see what color this actually is. So it looks like that. It feels very smooth. It feels very smooth. So I think this would be really nice to try use as an eyeshadow base. Maybe mix it with a white base, because I kind of like using white as my eyeshadow base just to make my colors pop. But I will definitely be trying this out and letting you guys know if I like it. Next up, we have the Jonteblu glitter eyeliner. This looks like it's in the color black, but let me open it and see what color this is. Yeah, so this is actually in the color black. I don't know if the camera can pick up the glitter. There it is. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I can't wait to try to wear this. Next up, we have the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. I'm assuming this is going to be maybe clear, but we'll see. It's called Instafamous. Oh, it's actually a very cute pink. Swatch it for you guys as well. Ooh, this is pretty as well. It's like an iridescent pink. I don't know if the camera picks it up right there. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm actually really happy with this month's box. For the last 3 months, I think I've been getting things that I actually have been using. And it's really nice because you don't feel like you're wasting your money. But definitely this one is going to be a fave. I can already tell. And then last, we do have the Suva Beauty Palette. It comes wrapped in this. Ooh, and these are the colors. Okay, let me see if I can swatch these for you guys. This is the palette. It's so pretty. So we have about, I think, 2 shimmers. The rest are mattes. And then we have 2 highlighter shades. So I'll start with the mattes. So these are the mattes. Then we'll do the shimmers. These are the 2 shimmers. Ooh, that's pretty. And then there's this like other matte that I would use as a setting color, but looks like this. I would use this to set my concealer after I apply it as a base. And then we're gonna do the highlighter shade. So there's a golden one and a pink one. So let me clean my hand because I ran out of space and I want to give all the colors their own time to shine. Okay, so this is the golden one and the pink one. These are the highlighter shades. Oh, that's cute. I think you can even use these as eyeshadows, or highlighters, or brow highlight. They're so cute. Okay, guys, so that is it from my Boxycharm from December. Let me know if you guys want me to use any of these products in a tutorial, or if you guys want to see a try-on Boxycharm unboxing for next month. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And if you guys did want a tutorial on this look, it is posted on my channel already, so go check that out. It's like the perfect cut crease for the holidays. So if you guys want to attempt to recreate it, go ahead and tag me. Follow me on Instagram as well at Luxila. Okay guys, so that's it for December's Boxycharm. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.